it's Delilah. And we are freshly gardened. So we are gonna do a SZA makeup sesh. I've been seeing her a lot on my For You page because she recently dropped an album. And I'm like, hold on. I do my makeup like that. The soft brown smoky eye with the glitter and the berry lip. I've been doing my makeup like that recently because she looks absolutely gorgeous. And I'm gonna show you. I already prepped and primed my face. My Tower 28 as a toner. My Tatcha Indigo Repair Cream is a serum and a moisturizer in one, so I didn't have to put on a serum. And then I let that sink in, and then I put on my Refi face primer. Let that sink in a lot to the point that I'm looking, I don't look dry, but I'm not radiant. To bring that radiance back, we're gonna use the Patrick Ta foundation. I'm in the shade 19 Golden. I look so pale. It is slightly darker, but I'm gonna work with this because we're gonna be using a good amount of powder today, but I don't want my face to look overly matte. So go in with a foundation that's nice and radiant. I'm using my Merit complexion stick in amber, what's left of it. I'm just gonna use this color to color correct, and then we're gonna highlight with a lighter shade. Oh my god, this is terrible. I'm gonna have to scrape some of this. So you just want to make sure that your skin is nice and perfected. This is kind of like what I'm doing with the mirror stick. I'm just going back, covering any imperfections that the Patrick Ta didn't cover, because I don't want to put a lot of foundation that just makes you crease a lot more. And then I like to go in with a concealer. I'm using my SZA bronzer in Stinson. Pat, go side to side, and then I go up and down. Or if you want, you can do circles, but just stay in that area where you apply the bronzer. Like, don't bring it all the way down here. With another Merit complexion stick, I'm gonna use Buff. This is an even lighter shade. Especially for the look that we're going for. We're trying to achieve SZA's makeup look, so she obviously looks flawless all the time. So now moving on to blush. So excited about this one. So I got a couple of new Patrick Ta blushes. I bought them myself, and this one is called She Know Who She Is a new color. When I saw it, I just couldn't resist. A beautiful, it looks more reddish on camera, but in person it's brown. Oh my god, it's such a beautiful chocolatey brown. Okay, I'm taking the cream because when I looked at her pictures, her blush looks like this color. So I'm like, oh, we're definitely using this one today. I got a little too excited. I put too much. Hold on. Bitch, calm down. This blush is just so beautiful. If you're over the pinky and the peachy, get yourself a brown blush. Like, this is so pretty. I don't know how SZA sets her makeup personally, but I will show you my way on how to achieve that flawless filtered look. So you're gonna need finishing powders and you're gonna need loose powder. Finishing powder is gonna give you the extra covers that you need, and then the pressed powder is gonna lock everything and highlight. First, we're gonna start with Kosas Pillowy Cloud Set Powder. I'm using my Rare Beauty Powder Puff. It's my absolute favorite powder puff right now. And just set. Oh my, yo, the day that Kosas comes out with a loose setting powder, ooh, it better be in this same finish. I would lose my shit. But honestly, no, I hope they don't come out with one soon because I'm not buying any more makeup. I'm not. I know that sounds freaking crazy. I am a beauty content creator. But if I keep buying more lip gloss, girl, I'm never gonna buy the house that I want. I need to stop fucking playing around. I need to stop buying makeup. So we're just gonna use the same makeup. I'm gonna use all my makeup up, and when I don't have any more makeup, that's when I'm gonna buy more makeup. For certain areas of my face, I'm gonna use the Peachy Cloud Set Powder. For all over the face, I'm gonna use another Kosas Cloud Set Powder in Softly. I feel like Kosas and Charlotte Tilbury are #1 at my list, but when I don't want that matte look, I'm definitely gonna go with the Kosas. If you look very, very closely and you have a bright light in front of it, you can see the pearlescence in it, so it's gonna give radiance to the skin. When lighting hits your face, you're gonna see like that little bit of radiance, that glow. It's not gonna look dry and powdery, which I love. I love going for the Charlotte Tilbury when I just wanna look super matte and snatched and just like a doll. I want to look unreal. This gives me that look, but in a softer, more radiant way. Now to lock everything, I'm gonna use my Makeup by Mario translucent powder in #3. I like to press this into my skin first because a lot of people get powders confused. Yes, this is your baking powder, but this is also your setting powder. You don't only bake with this, you press this into the skin. So I just like you guys, I'm not crazy. I was just whatever. I have a mini Kosas powder in Silky. I use this one as bronzer. It's just when I find something that makes me look good, I just buy a whole bunch. A little bit of my Charlotte Tilbury #1 with Softly, and I'm gonna dust off my under eye. I mean, not with Softly, with Pillowy. I feel like SZA brings like her highlight lower with Softly. I'm gonna just dip in once and just dust off right here. I think I'm gonna use Softly first and then go in with the darker one because I wanna do like a transition for the nose contour. So I'm glad I went light at first because the SZA nose contour is not like just your regular nose contour. She really goes in. Now go in with Silky. Do you want me? Are you gonna call me like you said you would? See, and then that deeper color is what really gives that SZA effect. I'm just gonna add a little bit more of the Softly because I feel a little too light right here. I'm gonna take a little bit more of that Kosas bronzer, go in with a smaller brush and just define. Just keep it really close together. With the blush, use the powder lightly. And just put it right on top of your bronzer. Oh my god. Put like a tiny bit on the nose just for good luck. We're gonna use my Rare Beauty highlighter in Flaunt. So now moving on to brows. I've been using this new product and I really like it. iMethod sent it to me. It just creates really beautiful hair-like strokes. I use this and my Merit pencil together because I haven't mastered using the pen. I feel like I need to practice a lot more. So I do little hair-like strokes like this, and then I go in with my Merit pencil and I create my arch. I did notice with this pen though, if I go in with my pencil first and then I try to go in with the marker pen, it doesn't work. I'm gonna clean them up and then we're gonna move on to eyeshadow. Honestly, like this is the most easiest freaking makeup look ever. To me, what it looks like is she just has bronzer all over her lid. So take a big fluffy brush, put that all over your crease and put it all over your lid. This is my go-to with a little bit of razzle dazzle. Wing this out. Bring that here. And then my Hindash palette, take a little bit of Intra and Feel. Go in the outer corner. And just give a little bit of definition on the outer corner. Go back in with your fluffy brush. And then also put a little bit of that mixture on the lid because it is a tiny bit dark. It isn't like super light. We could put a little bit more intra on the lid just to make it a little bit more smoky. A Moon Dust glittery shadow in Lithium. It's a brown sparkly. And then I have this one from Give Beauty in Twinkle. This is also like, but this is more like iridescent. So maybe we're gonna use Lithium by Urban Decay. I'm gonna take my finger. I'm gonna put this on the lid. Yeah, this is, oh, this is perfect. This is perfect. Gorgina, Gorgina, Gorgina. And it's so hard to tell if she's wearing a liner or not. It doesn't look like she is. I'm convinced that this is the same eyeshadow SZA has on. So now we're gonna go in with a Fenty eyeshadow stick. This is in the shade Get On Taupe. Is this really your real phone number? And really accentuate the inner corners. She likes a nice like elongated inner corner. So now we're gonna do lips. I'm stuck between either using Blackberry from Anastasia Beverly Hills or Night Moth. I feel like these are the same. Let's swatch them together. Oh, Night Moth is more of like a raisin. Let's do both. Let's do Blackberry first. Night Moth to define, so I'm gonna go like more in the outer edges. Now, ooh, okay, I'm so excited. Ooh. All right, I'm gonna do a gloss first. I'm gonna do the Makeup by Mario lip gloss in Rose Water. I'll put that first. I'm not disrupting the liner. Now I'm gonna use my Topicals Acai lip balm, but I'm gonna use a little bit because the more you put, the more pigmented it becomes. So we just want like a wash of a berry. This is so pretty. To lighten it, because I don't want it, because the more that I rub my lips on it, the lip liner is gonna turn my whole lip like a deeper berry. So I'm gonna take a little bit of Ooh Baby from Huda Beauty. Like this. Oh my god, this is fucking gorgeous. And then last but not least, the last step is her infamous birthmark. Right there. Ooh, how cute. That's it. This is the final look. I hope you guys enjoyed it. I hope you guys recreated. I feel like it'll look really pretty on everyone. Like, you can't go wrong with a brown, glittery, smoky eye. It just, Thank you guys so much for watching. Leave a beautiful positive comment down below and I'll see you guys soon.